Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to create Apple ID on your device but you're facing this issue and you are unable to create Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you create Apple ID on your iPhone. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below. Tap on general and tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. And after this, scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. And after this, go back and tap on language and region. Tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and now tap on VPN and device management and try to connect your device with any VPN and then try to create your account. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply disconnect the connected VPN. And after this, go back and then go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open the browser on your device and then go to incognito tab and then search here for appleid.apple.com. Here you can see this and wait here for some seconds. And from here tap on this arrow button, tap on create your Apple account, and now try to create your Apple account using this website. So guys, give all the details and try to create your Apple ID from here. And if you are still unable to create account, then you have to simply go back and you have to go to the Apple Support application. And from here you can contact the Apple Support team for further information and help. So guys, you have to simply explain them your problem in a brief way and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this you will be able to create new account on your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.